Is child obesity caused by bad parenting? Childhood obesity affects children and adults. It is known for being the root cause of a lot of health conditions like diabetes. Obese children are known to have low self-esteem, which stops them from being confident. Childhood obesity can have complications like high blood pressure and eating disorders. So how do you, as a responsible parent, help your child? First, we have to identify the sprouting problem. Let's look at some of the obesity symptoms. Genetics. Genes play an important role in childhood obesity. You can tackle this problem by teaching your child to monitor BMI constantly. Sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition where breathing stops in the middle of the sleep, forcing the child to wake up in utter terror. If your kid suffers constant bouts of sleep apnea, perhaps it is time to check the BMI or visit a physician. Children are notoriously infamous for running around. But if your child experiences shortness of breath and becomes tired after demanding physical activities, it may be a sign of childhood obesity. Adults know that stress and work tension contributes immensely to overweight problems. And in this age of information, kids are forced into observing a lot of data that overwhelms their peace of mind, resulting in weight gain. If the child seems to be in perpetual need of snacking on something, you might want to take notice. It is healthy for a child to eat a lot, but when they eat in constant intervals and consume a lot of unhealthy snacks rather than meals, it might be an early sign of childhood obesity. What causes obesity? Genes play an important role in contributing to child's weight. Sometimes, even the genes of overweight ancestors can permeate into child's genetic makeup and make him or her overweight. Fast food culture and swift delivery of food have made the problem worse. Children these days spend more time on their smartphones or tablets than out on the playgrounds. Inadequate or complete lack of physical activities will make it hard for the child to shed fat, resulting in obesity. Monumental schoolwork and improper life make some children feel down. For a few of them, the only source of happiness will be eating. It is not the food that they are addicted to, but the calming chemicals released in their brains, providing a refreshing sense of peace. As time progresses, this will lead to childhood obesity. Letting the child eat fast food way too often is definitely not okay on your part. When a child starts to gain unnecessary pounds because of this, it is surely your responsibility. Similarly, letting the children spend too much time with their gadgets and not encouraging them to go out and play is another thing parents should not do. If a child is too stressed about schoolwork or shows early signs of depression, they might gain weight. Your intervention is needed to talk to them or consult a mental health professional so that you can prevent obesity. Sometimes we can't really blame the parents. So what to do about the obesity of children? Change your food habits by adding a lot of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Proper diet is the primary step to solve the problem of childhood obesity. If your child is obese and unable to sleep properly, make some changes like curtailing sweets and caffeine from dinner. Being obese out in the real world is incredibly tough. Body shaming from friends and strangers is intolerable, leading to the plummeting of self-esteem. Supporting the child when these sorts of events occur will help them suffer little stress, thus blocking its contribution to obesity. It is necessary to remember that obesity causes other severe problems to the child's mind and body. So the sooner you help, the better it is. You can do so by being a pillar of support to your children.